how to design portfolio website in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly design a portfolio website. So firstly, come on to squarespace.com, click on get started. That's gonna take you guys over to their sign up page. So when you guys have signed up, it's gonna ask you to choose a template. So now from over here, you guys have so many different templates come up. So now from over here, click on category, and then from over here, you guys can just simply look for portfolio website if you guys see it. But if you guys see personal and CV, click on that, and then after that, from over here, you guys can choose a portfolio, and then now you guys have these templates come up which are portfolio websites. So you guys can choose any one of these websites. So I'm gonna choose this particular one. I'm gonna click on start with Sohama, and then that's gonna take me over to another page. So when I come onto this page, now I will be able to view all the details of this particular website, and I can just simply modify this whole website by just simply clicking on anywhere on this particular web page. So I can double click anywhere and I can start modifying whatever I want to. So guys, that is how easy it is to create your own portfolio website. You guys can add in your projects over here. You guys can add in anything that you want, and this particular website is gonna be your portfolio website. So guys, this is how you guys can quickly create a portfolio website using Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.